Hello and welcome again to another dsphotoblog.com video. In this one I have great news for all Fuji users. Tamron is finally making lenses for Fuji cameras. Yes, you heard that right. That's amazing news, and it is also very surprising because Sigma said they will start to make Fuji lenses a while ago. But now Tamron will be the first to release a 18 to 300mm f3.5 to 6.3 lens for Fuji X already in 2021. Thanks a lot to Fuji Rumors for this news, who already have a lot of info about the lens. So, this lens will be the world's first 16.6x all-in-one zoom, extremely fast and precise autofocus, the highest level in its class with Tamron's VXD linear motor, maximum magnification ratio 1:2 at 18mm wide end, the best image quality in its class, outstanding VC, compact, user-friendly features, moisture-resistant construction, fluorine coating, zoom lock switch. Normally super zooms like this aren't very exciting, but this one looks very promising, and the fact alone that Tamron is now producing Fuji X lenses is just great. I'm sure that Tamron will announce even more Fuji X lenses. Just imagine an affordable 18 to 55 2.8 or an 50 to 140 2.8. Now of course Fuji already has some amazing glass, but their best lenses are also very expensive and the prices haven't really come down yet. I definitely want to test this lens, so if someone at Tamron is watching this, please contact me for reviewing this bad boy. The more choice you have, the better for us Fuji users. Now we have lenses with AF from Viltrox, Tokina and now also Tamron, and soon Sigma will join too. And speaking of Viltrox, if you want a very good and solid third-party lens for your Fuji right now, already I have a link for you in the description of this video. Have a great day, thanks for watching and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos.